Wow, hello. I'm very humbled to be with you all. I'm holding my brother's arm because I'm a bit wobbly. I just want to say, first of all, thanks so much for coming along and showing that apathy doesn't always rule. Well done. And I also want to remind us that this system is not broken. It's working perfectly well and benefiting those that it was designed to benefit. So this is not a failed system. This is a system that we need to overthrow and break. I see this as a fundamental battle about what we value as a species. I am proud as a person to fund welfare, to fund the NHS, to fund education. I am not proud to fund illegal wars that kill and maim people abroad. The government go on and on about GDP. What the fuck is GDP? And why the fuck is it the ultimate goal of all our governments? Who decided that? When was that meeting? Because I missed that. Apparently, profit is sacred. But you know what? Fuck profit. The profit motive is destroying communities, lives and the environment. We need to redefine what sacred is. To me, life is beautiful and precious, and we are not economic commodities. We are all here, we all have an equal right to happiness, to health and opportunity, regardless of ability or economic background. I want to fight for that. This government is the most immoral government in recent history. Now, before I end, I'd just like to say, please come along and support our stand-up gig on the 7th of July. We desperately need money to continue this fight. So please come along, it will be an amazing night. We've got Joe Brand, Stuart Lee, Jason Manford, Martha Brigstock, Mark Still, and loads of others. So please come. And I just want to end by saying, don't give up. Life is beautiful and we will fight and together we will win. Thank you.
Colleagues, what about that? The incredible